Welcome to Shami's Kitchen. Today we're gonna make bitter gourd fry. So first we need bitter gourd, turmeric powder, chili powder, oil, urad dal and mustard, and last but not least, salt to taste. Let's get started. So first, take off the edges of the bitter gourd. Oh yeah, I remember me and my dad were playing the food challenge and got the raw bitter gourd what my mommy gave. And that's how my daddy found it out first. Now I remember that when we got raw bitter gourd. This is a raw bitter gourd. That's not the one what we ate. Now let's cut the bitter gourd in thin slices. Cut thin slices like this. Time to fry. Let's switch on it on the medium flame. Add oil. Add the mustard seeds. Wait till it's splattered. Now add bitter gourd. Add turmeric, chili powder, and salt. Next, mix it well. On and off. My daddy likes it more crispier, so we're gonna wait for a few more minutes.